Welcome back to Cook and Bake with Jazz. Today I'm making a very special cake, the authentic Armenian honey cake. This holiday classic takes time and love to prepare, but it's so worth it. Let me show you step by step. We'll start with the honey dough. In a heat-proof bowl over the steam, I'm combining sugar, butter, honey, and just a pinch of turmeric for a warm golden color. Once the sugar is dissolved, I will add baking soda. It will foam up, and then I'll remove it from the heat. Then after cooling for a few minutes, I will whisk in the eggs and finally the flour. The dough rests in the refrigerator for about 30-35 minutes. Then I will divide it into 6 pieces. Each piece is rolled very thin and baked just 6 to 7 minutes until lightly golden. And now let's prepare the silky custard cream. In a saucepan, I whisk together milk, sugar, egg yolk, flour, and vanilla. I cook this over medium heat until thickened and let it cool completely. Add milk slowly to avoid lumps. It's ready. Cover with plastic wrap and cool it completely. Meanwhile, I whip soft butter with condensed milk, and little by little, I add the cooled custard. This creates a rich, smooth cream that will hold the layers together. The temperature for both mixtures need to be the same, warm, to avoid separation. We have to roll very thin and will bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for max 7 or 8 minutes. And this is how they look. Golden. Don't overbake them. To assemble, I spread the custard cream generously between each baked honey layer. The layers should be thin and delicate, with cream binding everything together. As the cake rests, the honey dough softens beautifully, turning into a tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. And finally, the chocolate glaze. I combine cocoa powder, sugar, and milk in a saucepan, stirring until smooth. At the very end, I add oil for shine, but don't let it boil. Once slightly cooled, I pour it gently over the cake, covering the top in a glossy finish. And here it is, the authentic Armenian honey cake. This dessert is a true holiday tradition. Rich, elegant, and always the centerpiece of the table. It takes patience, but the result is spectacular. Thank you for baking with me today. This cake is so soft, so creamy, so traditional and authentic. You have to try it. It is truly spectacular. I hope you enjoyed my video. And always thank you for watching.